going to unbox the ILIFE B5 Max robot vacuum. So this robot vacuum has something that you've never seen in a robot vacuum before, and I think it's a really cool idea, and I hope more manufacturers implement this into the robot vacuums. We'll get to that in just a second. This ILIFE robot vacuum is on sale right now for $149 on Amazon. If you're interested at all, I'll put the links down in the description along with a special code that will get you down to that $149 price. So like I just said, this has a very unique feature, but it also has a big negative as well, and I'll show you both of that here in just a second. So let's go ahead and unbox this. We'll talk about it a little bit and see exactly what you get. Alright guys, so first thing on top of the box is of course your manual. Alright, so this model does come with a remote control, which is nice. You can also run it by app. Of course, you get the power cord for the charger. So I'll pop that out now because we'll charge it up. The robot vacuum itself, we'll get to that more in a second. Now here's the most unique feature and something I honestly really do like about this robot vacuum. It's the first time you're ever going to see it. It's the first time I've ever seen it, and I think it's a cool idea. So not only do you have a dirt bin in there, the normal plastic dirt bin that every robot vacuum has, you have the choice to use a 1,000 milliliter bag instead. So you take out the dirt bin, which we'll do here in just a second. You insert this bag, and everything is going to be enclosed into this bag. So when you're done cleaning, you just pull this guy out. There's a little door here that you can pull, and it will seal this. And you just throw away the bag. You don't have to worry about dust at all. And that's a feature I personally really like. If you have allergies or are sensitive to that very fine dust that a lot of these robot vacuums can pick up, this is going to eliminate that completely. And being as that these are bags from ILIFE, I don't think they're going to be very expensive to purchase. And I believe this will hold a ton of debris to where you probably only have to change this out maybe once a month, depending on how heavy you use it. So personally, I think it's a very cool idea. I hope other manufacturers do this. And let me know in the comments what you guys think about this. This is the first robot vacuum that I've seen this on, period. So even though this is an awesome feature, and I highly recommend it, there is a big negative to this robot that I personally do not like, and we'll get to that in just a second. So it does come with a total of 3 bags to get you going. That's quite a bit of time. I'll do some tests later and update the video, let you know how long this bag actually lasts. Here are the accessories. You got batteries for the remote, the side brushes, and then an additional filter. Then of course you have the charging pad. Alright, let's go ahead and move on to the robot vacuum itself. So I forgot to mention right at the top, I should have, this is also a mopping robot. This does come with a water tank at the bottom. So as you can see, it does come with a very small water tank. It's going to be good for cleaning just one area at a time, like your kitchen or maybe your dining room. Do not expect this to clean your entire floor plan. There's just not enough water in here to be able to successfully do that. And personally, if you watch this channel at all, you know I'm not a fan of the mopping robots that also have the vacuum. They just don't do a good job. But it is included. It will pick up light dust and overall keep it cleaner. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take a look at the dirt bin. Alright, moving on to the dirt bin. It does come with a tool to clean it. This is a 600 milliliter dirt bin, so it's quite large. So now to the big negative of this robot vacuum. And let me know if you agree with me. And you can tell me if you see it right away or if you don't. What do you guys think? What is the negative here? If you don't see it, there is no brush roll. So this is just a suction only system. And it's really going to be only good for hard floors. There's really no point to buy this if you have carpet. It is just simply not a good vacuum for carpet. Now with that being said, the suction port models, they actually do quite well on hard surfaces. So if you have all hard surfaces in your floor, this is a fantastic option. And I'll do some tests showing you the differences on all my hard floor, and then I'll do a small section of carpet, and you'll see it's night and day. But once again, if you do have a lot of hard floor, these do work quite well for the price. So this guy does have 2,000 Pascal suction, which is quite powerful. Most of the modern higher end robots are going to be around 2,500 to 3,000. So at the price point, 2000 PA is actually pretty good. Where are you going? Where are you going? Alright guys, so what did you think overall about this $149 vacuum? Are you interested? Is this something you would consider to buy for your house? I guess the main thing for this robot vacuum is going to be the dirt bags. Once again, please let me know in the comments if you'd like to see this technology in future robot vacuums like Roborock, iRobot. If you found this video helpful at all, please do me a favor, like and subscribe. It helps me out a ton. And I'll see you guys in the next one.